Alright, this is the second integration sheet that we had, and it's the homework problem number 7. And we're still doing everything by just doing regular integration. And it wants us to integrate x to the 4th minus 1 over 2 x cubed plus 1 over 4 x minus 2 with respect to dx. Alright, so this one, it looks kind of crazy, but it's pretty much just straightforward, just really long. Just remember that x to the n, whenever you integrate that, 1 over n plus 1 x to the n plus 1, and just as long as you remember that and just pay attention to what you're doing, we should be fine. So when we integrate that, we're going to have 1 over our n, which is 4 plus 1 x to the 4 plus 1 minus 1 over 2, that's going to be over our 3 plus 1 x to the 3 plus 1 plus 1 over 4 over our n, which is just 1 plus 1 x to the 1 plus 1 minus 2, and so 2 times 1 gives us 2, but if we had x raised to the 0, that would give us 1 as well, because anything raised to the 0 is equal to 1. So that's going to be 2 over 0 plus 1 x to the 0 plus 1. And since we've just integrated that, our dx goes away, since doing integrals is the antiderivative. And since it's an indefinite integral, we're going to have our constant out here. So now we can just go through and try to clean things up a little bit. It's going to be 1 over 5 x to the 5th minus our 1 over 2, and that's going to be over 4 x to the 4th plus 1 over 4 over 2 x to the 2 minus our 2 over 1 is just going to leave us with 2. X to the 1 you can just leave as x plus our constant. Okay, and if go through and clean this up a little bit more, it's going to be 5 1/5 x to the 5th minus, and like we said before, you'll keep the top fraction and you change it to multiplication, and you flip the bottom fraction, and the bottom fraction is the same as 4 over 1. That's going to be the same as 2 over 1. So basically just flip that upside down. So we're going to have 1/2 times 1/4. So we're going to multiply the denominators. So that's going to give us 1/8 x to the 4th plus our 1 over 4 times 1 over 2. It's going to leave us with 1/8 x squared minus our 2x plus our constant. And so this right here should be our answer. And we just did another one.